The Calendar tab displays a visual representation of a group's shifts, color-coded by occurrence, making it easy to see how shifts work together in a daily, weekly, or monthly view. You can use the calendar view to create and modify group shifts, as well as fix any shift gaps or coverage overlaps. To make it easier to see shift coverage overlaps, let's turn on Highlight Gaps. We can see now that there's a 2-hour gap on Saturdays. We can also see that there's a 1-hour overlap on Monday mornings. Let's fix these issues and learn how to modify shifts in the calendar view. Let's correct the shift gap first. We can see that the night shift is the correct duration, but the weekend morning shift starts 2 hours too late. We can move a shift in the calendar by clicking and dragging the shift. So let's move the shift up 2 hours to correct the time. Click Edit Series to make sure all the shifts are adjusted. Clicking Edit Occurrence will edit only this one occurrence of the shift. Then, drag the handle at the bottom of the shift to make the shift 2 hours longer, covering the gap. We can now see both instances of weekend night shift are an hour too long. Click on the shift to bring up its details. Here we can edit all aspects of this shift. We can delete it, edit its members, edit the series, which is the frequency and recurrence, or edit the shift's name. Since we want the shift to end 1 hour earlier, let's change the end time to 0400 and click Save. And we can see our weekly schedule now has complete coverage without any overlaps or gaps. Single occurrence shifts are another example of the ease and flexibility built into the calendar view. Let's create a one-time shift that happens on Wednesday during the day. First, let's click on the Wednesday daytime shift and delete this occurrence. We can now see that this has created a gap. Clicking on the gap will create a new shift that fills in the gap. If we turn Highlight Gaps off, we can do this a different way by clicking and dragging to create a new shift. Let's give this shift a name. Our new shift now has a dotted line, meaning there are no members in the shift. Click on it, and then click Edit Members. Add a member, and let's go back to the Calendar tab. We can now see our single occurrence shift is active and has members.